Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the HD Wi-Fi clock camera. This is a mini clock that has a built-in secret camera in it, which is ideal if you want to spy on someone. Or, for example, if you go on vacation and you leave your belongings in your hotel room, you can actually have one of these hidden or in plain sight without anyone knowing that there is a camera on it, and it records with the movement in the room, which is pretty awesome. So we're going to be unboxing and we're going to be looking at the details. We're going to set it up, get it working, and we're going to have a test so you can also check out the quality and see how it works. Before we go on with the unboxing video, if you do like our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. So let's have a look then into the box. So this is a mini clock, it's small, and we will look at the form factor in a minute. In the box, so it comes with this nice beautiful black box. It is compatible with iPhone, Android, iPad, or a computer. So we've got a Wi-Fi camera icon there, so it connects to the internet. It's got Wi-Fi, night vision, HD, it connects to mobile devices. You've got 24-hour recording, and it's also for you to catch some burglars. All right, okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so inside the box we've got the clock. Right over here it comes with a rechargeable battery. Some of these don't come with a rechargeable battery, but the ones that I sell, they do come with a rechargeable battery. So what else have we got? We've got the back cover right over here. We've got a USB cable for charging, and we've got the instruction manual right here at the back. Okay, awesome, great stuff. So let's get the box right over here, and we've got the cable and the manual. So let's have a look at the clock then with the camera. So at the back we've got the micro SD slot, we've got the on and off button, we've got a record button, we've got a micro USB connector right over here. So at the front we've got the clock and we've got the camera somewhere here on the sides. You can't actually see the camera as it is right now, but we will power it on, we will set it up, and we will get it working. There is an application that install on your mobile phone. We will go through all of that and set it up in full with you. So for this example, I do have a micro SD card here with me that I'm going to use. So as a reminder, they don't come with a micro SD card, so you have to purchase one on the side. So I'm going to insert the micro USB card, which is there now. So for first use, it is recommended that you fully charge the battery. So I'm going to go ahead, fully charge the battery, and then we are going to go with the setup. So we've got a battery now fitted. This is another battery that I've had here as a spare that I'm going to use, and I'm not going to place the cover for now. So first things first, we are going to turn on. You just turn it on here on the button, so turn it to on. And by the way, this is a reset button right here, and it's not a record button. So it's now turning on. As you can see, it's showing 8888, and the next step is for us to install the application that will control the camera. So we are going to connect it to Wi-Fi. Okay, so I'm going to place the clock here on the side, and on the instruction manual there is a QR code that you can use with your mobile to download the Android or the Apple applications. I'm going to use an Apple phone to download the application and install it. There is also a download address that you can use for your Windows computer. Okay, so let's go ahead now and do that. So I've got a mobile phone here. On my mobile phone, I'm going to open the camera application, and I'm just going to scan this QR code. Okay, the QR code has been scanned, so I'm going to tap over here to open Google Chrome. This will now take me into the application. Okay, so now I've got the option to install from Google Play. As I'm using an iPhone, I'm going to install it from the iPhone. So if you're using an Android phone, please deselect the Google Play Store. Right, so the application that I'm going to install is called LoopCam. So I'm going to tap on Get. I'm going to authorize it, and it's currently downloading. Okay, so it has downloaded the application. Next up, I'm going to open the application and I'm gonna just connect the application to the clock. So now Look Cam would like to find and connect devices with my local network. I'm going to tap OK. Look Cam would like to send you notifications. I'm going to allow it to send notifications. So now that I've done this, what I'm going to do is open settings. And on settings, I'm going to select Wi-Fi, and this is going to search for all of the Wi-Fi networks that are available to me. And the one that I want to connect to, it's this one here, so the G22513. So I'm going to tap on that one, and it's going to connect. So that is the clock. Right, so once this is done, we are going to return to the application, and you can see that the application has identified the camera, and then we've got a tip here which says find a new device. It's been added. Do you want to connect to Wi-Fi network? I'm going to select OK. So now I am going to enter my home Wi-Fi network, which is this one here. And the camera or the clock is going to connect to my Wi-Fi network. Okay, so I've entered the password for my Wi-Fi and I'm going to tap on OK. This is now going to connect. So it's been saved and device will reboot. You tap on OK and let's wait. So it's showing as connecting, so the Wi-Fi is rebooting and connecting. A tip here in relation to this, so on the previous screen, you can click on cancel for you to set up point-to-point short range viewing, and this only allows your device to connect to the clock when it's within the Wi-Fi range of your device. If you select yes, as I did, so I'm connecting to my home Wi-Fi network, it will allow me to connect remotely through the internet from my mobile phone onto the clock, and I can then see the images. So the device here is showing as offline, so it's connecting. So now it's showing as online. And here, if I tap on the device, here we go. So I can see the image. So I'll be running a test to verify and for us to record. Right, so there are a few options here, of course. The application, I'm able to adjust the brightness, adjust the contrast, night vision, etc. So let's have a look at the application. I've got the option here to go on to settings, where I can edit a device, I can delete a device, I can reconnect. I can check device settings and device QR code. So if I go here to settings, I've got an alarm configuration. I can modify the device password. SD card setting, this is where we want to go. We've got the option to auto record. We can record the alarm. We've got the resolution, so it's in HD. It can record audio. We've got loop record for 5 minutes, so it records for 5 minutes, and then after those 5 minutes it starts a new file. So I'm going to format the SD card actually. So if I tap on format, so this is starting from scratch, and the time is also synchronized automatically. As you can see here, it is showing the correct time, so there is no need for you to do anything else. So I'm going to tap on back. We've got infrared lights. You've got a schedule that you can set, or you can set it to manual. You also have the Wi-Fi configuration. It is connected to my Wi-Fi, so I'm not going to change that. You can reboot the device. You can reset to factory default. You can sync mobile time, which is by default, but you can tap there to synchronize. You've got the firmware version, and you can delete the device. So if you tap on firmware version, it doesn't actually do anything here apart from that. So if I go back, then I've got the options here to for video. So for video, if I tap on video, then I will tap here on the image. This will then allow me to connect to the device and see live video. From here, I can adjust the brightness, I can adjust the color, night vision. I enable microphone, so I can talk through the microphone. I've got sound as well. I can take a picture, record. So I've got the clouds and SD recording. So I can record onto clouds, or I can record to SD. So I'm recording to SD card right now. So there is a cloud option here, and there is a cloud option service. I believe this is a paid service. I've not used it as I'm using an SD card. And on the last menu, you've got feedback that you can send over. You've got the version and about. So another option that we've got here is you can actually hide the clock here. So if you don't want people to notice that it's working, you've got this option here where you tap it and you can see that the clock turns off. If you tap it again, it turns on, so it shows you the time. And you've got also the option here to send it up. Oh, actually, here we go. So you do have to pay for the cloud service if you want to use the cloud service. Okay, so let's do a test now. I'm going to place this in my room and we will now test and see how the quality of this is. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. If you're interested in one of these, I'll leave a link in the description for you to quickly and easily purchase one of these. They're currently available for sale in our stores. Or if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you everyone for watching today's video and I'll see you in the next one.